What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh FX. Welcome back to another great YouTube video. So guys, yesterday I managed to bang 120 pips on gold, as you can see right there. So I'm going to do a full trade breakdown. So make sure you watch this video until to the end. I'm going to show you the exact strategy that I used, the exact entry point that I used, so for me to be able to bang this 120 pips on gold. So make sure you don't scroll and make sure you watch this video to the end. So guys, without wasting time, let's hop into the charts. Impulse move already told you that here, right here, we have our top low. That's an area of support. Then we have our top high. There's an area of resistance. Then we have an area of liquidity point, as you can see. Then where was I able to get my setup? My setup, I was able to get it on around at 16, at this 16 candlestick. That 16 PM candlestick was able to break my top low, changing it into our point of interest. So when our top low gets broken and changes into a point of interest on a bullish big impulse move, what basically means is that the trend now has changed from buyers to sellers. The sellers now have taken fully control of that particular market. So the next step is, what are you going to do? The next step is you're going to switch to the 3 minutes time frame now for us to be able to go and look for an entry confirmation. So we look at that 25th August. So we switch to the 3 minutes time frame. 25th August at around 17, the formation of the 17 candles, because the 16 is the one that broke our top low. So as you can see right there, so we begin from the 17 AM candlestick, 17 PM candlestick. So as you can see, price came and approached my POI. So this one was the point of interest. Then we had our entry confirmation at this particular point there at 1709. As you can see, this is usually what we call our entry confirmation. This is what we usually call our weak buy. So our weak buy usually tells us that, signals us that we are having a large concentration of sellers, and it's up to us now for us to sell. So we usually have to wait for our formation of a weak buy candlestick. So there it is. So when you spotted the formation of the weak buy, that's when I placed my limit order exactly there. Then we usually risk 72 pips on our POI, 72 pips around there. So around there. So as you can see right there, our price was able to be activated. Then price retraced a little bit back. Then we had this big push on the downside, as you can see right there. So that's how I was able to close almost 106 pips times 2 positions. That makes it basically like 200 pips. So basically that's how I was able to capture 120 pips yesterday on gold. So we were able to capture this move before price was able to take us out. So that's how simple it was during New York session. So the main lesson of today is, guys, yeah, I can tell you the best 3 books that you as a trader you have to read is Trading the Zone, Trading the Zone by Mark Douglas. Another second book is The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. The third book is The Best Loser Wins by Tom Haggard. Those are the best 3 books that I can tell you guys to read about trading. They will literally change and blow your mind. So guys, this is the video of Trade with Me series. If you have not finished my series, you can go and back and watch my previous videos. So that's, guys, on how I was able to smack 120 pips on gold in my own trading community. Also, my students were able to kill this trading setup. So guys, see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe.